If I was Newmar or Tiffin, I would be embarrassed. This is Forest River. Maybe we undermined the brand of Forest River, which is Berkshire.
I am shocked at the amount of things. It's RV inspection day, and today we are in Orlando, Florida, about to inspect this gorgeous 2026 Forest River Berkshire 40E. Now stick around, our customers' fingers are crossed, so are ours, that we don't find anything major. Stick around and we'll see you at lunch and the end of the day.
First glimpse, must be a Monday morning because people are working. No, it's actually Saturday morning. There's a lot of inventory here. I'm just saying, maybe you're in a good position to buy something because the market is kind of don't know where it's going. So as a first glimpse on this, I already have, these are just a protector that goes into the bay of the cables when it goes in and out. No big deal, I'll bring it up. This unit overall, we underestimate Berkshire, I think. It's sad to say, but a Berkshire shouldn't be embarrassed against a Newmar or a Tiffin. Does that say a lot? At first glimpse, this is pretty steady. Construction looks in one piece. Every seal, everything is lined up. Listen, this unit had to, like anyone else, leave Indiana and make it somewhere. These are all in line, okay? Does Forest River has a secret that other high-end don't? Or is it because their quality is getting better? Looking forward to see what this day reserved to us. So let's go check what Laurel has inside though.
So come on in, let's see my first glimpse and my stow and go. My first glimpse, this refrigerator. I love this black refrigerator, look. No fingerprints. I need one of those, that's amazing. Coming in here, as you can see, the stow and go is fantastic. You can get all the way through, you can do anything in your kitchen. The kids can even go to bed because there's bunk beds right here, and they can also use the bathroom, take a shower. Now, mom and dad, if you're cracker docking, you've got to put the slide out in order to go to bed because the bed is a tilt-a-bed. But you can roll over, take showers over there, or mom and dad, you might have to sleep right here on the couch and put it down into the bunk because the kids are not going to give you their bunk bed. No, not at all. You'll have to sleep up there. As far as the first glimpse, like I said, it's this. I love it. I don't see anything that's popping out and saying, yikes, we should tell them about something. No, it all looks great so far. Stick around. We'll see you at lunchtime.
Lunchtime recap. If I was Newmar or Tiffin, I would be embarrassed. They can actually learn from them. So far, and I got all my structure done, all my roller, every slide out are perfect. This is Forest River. Maybe we undermined the brand of Forest River, which is Berkshire. If you've put beautiful cabinet like the higher end as in this, they're actually beating Newmar and Tiffin, to name nobody. I have a little paint run on top of this slide out on the wall. I just stated it's a comment because you'll never see this. I have the antenna on the roof that is gone. Nobody screwed it on in place. And I got sealant missing on top of the driver's side window, which is, I've seen that before on Berkshire. I don't know what it is. Sometimes they have a problem with that window on the driver's side. Other than that, people, this is perfect. It's really sad to say and think that we always undermine Berkshire. We've done a couple of them and they were okay. 380 Freightliners, same thing as those high-end units. I would really be curious to see the price of this. Here's an option for people who call it entry level. This is perfect. I am really looking forward for this afternoon to see the mechanical side, which I'm used to it, so it's Freightliner. I will I'll put money down that at the end of the day, I'll probably have nothing. I didn't do the hot skin, and this is an hydraulic system, so we won't do propane check, just saying. This is Oasis. Same thing as high-end brands. Think about this. Let's go check what Laurel has inside.
So it's lunchtime, and yes, I am happy. Forest River, this Berkshire is absolutely gorgeous. I am shocked at the amount of things. I haven't found, which is awesome, right? It's really happy to be able to tell you that. It's a positive note, but I'm going to take you up here to the ceiling wall area where you can see that the wallpaper just have rough edges there, and it's just, I see it. Is it a deal breaker? No, but I have to tell my clients because they hired me to see things, right? So I can't not tell them. And then coming in here, you know, coming into this wall area, which isn't this pretty, absolutely beautiful, but this is all loose down here. Okay, so that just needs to be attached. But I'm going to show you something even better than that. So, honey, you want to get locked in the bathroom with me? Let me show you something. So I'm kind of chuckling because I came in the bathroom, I'm checking my door, making sure everything's working properly, and I get ready to go out, and well, where's the nubby that I pushed down to, I can barely get my finger in here. Now, thankfully, I've got my phone in the bathroom because I'm gonna have to call Pierre to come let me out of the bathroom. For real, like, I'm not kidding. The bathroom door handle is in there, but again, my finger can't get in there. Surprise! I got out. Can you believe that? It's just one of those things that they need to adjust the door because I would not like to get locked in there and have no one to come help me get out. And that's what was going to happen. So there you go. I don't really have much else to tell you so far at lunchtime. I am really excited that I could have a little dance party in here for the rest of the afternoon, but I'm not. I'm going to actually work. We've been saying we want to meet you. You've been saying you want to meet us. Let's make that happen. Imagine a weekend where you can actually relax, laugh, learn something new, and make real RV memories. Ross from RV Tips and Travels will be sharing practical RV knowledge and real-world travel tips. Live concert by Nashville artist Lee Polari. RV educational seminars filled with smart owner tips and easy maintenance ideas you'll actually use. Enjoy a professional bourbon tasting demo, catered meals so you don't have to cook, and plenty of time to float the lazy river. Join us for Roast and Toast with Pierre, plus a dunk tank, shenanigans, and campground fun. This is RV community, learning, and laughter all rolled into one unforgettable weekend, June 11th through the 14th, 2026 at Margaritaville RV Resort in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Tickets are only sold on our website. Your RV family is waiting. Hope to see you there, and right now, we'll see you at the end of the day.
All right, end of the day recap. There's nothing much to say. I don't know why I'm surprised to say this. Some people ought to learn from Forest River. Woohoo. That's what I told Laurel. We got to go there because some manufacturer invite us. We don't go there as a guest. We actually perform a duty when we do inspection and help them get better with their quality. This unit, I'd be happy to go see who are the people on this. There's proudness in this. So Berkshire, heads up. There is nothing here. I got a 380, I got a Freightliner. The undercarriage is impeccable. Tires are to the year of the unit. It was just built in November of 25. Those tires are of November and October of 25. So they don't play the game of trying to push old tires on here. As you can see, it's a beautiful rig. I mean, to each their own, I get it, but I only had one problem. One finicky, simple problem. I have one battery that requires probably to be changed or verified because it comes out as poor. There's one detail that I can say on Berkshire that I feel they should find a way to upgrade. It's exactly this little trim here, because this trim here is just kind of a metal tight, so it's really easy to pop them out. That's the only thing all day. So the unit overall is really nice. As you can see, there's just a little bit of mud or whatever. It probably rained when they drove it down here. So from up there, Elkhart, Indiana, to this facility, most likely, there's 1,188 miles on that unit. That's probably the length of the trip from there to another dealer to here. So as I said since this morning, this is really nice. Some people should learn out of this. This is kind of out of the spec of what we expected. I'm really proud of what Berkshire delivered. By the way, if ever you think you have what it needs to be a good inspector, why don't you reach out? Try to see if it's something of interest that we can fit together. You know we endorse people, we do workshops. We handpick the people that come in though. It's not just a classroom where everybody shows up because they're paid. I'm just saying. So make sure to go check our website to see how it comes out, and if there's an interest, reach out. We will get right back at you. Meanwhile, let's go check what all has inside though.
So it's the end of the day, and I can use words like pristine, amazing, immaculate, beautiful, phenomenal. I'm telling you, this coach is absolutely gorgeous. I have found one thing after lunch. So all afternoon, I've tested everything, all of my water, no leaks. The one thing that did not work properly, come right this way. Let me just tell you all about it. So coming in here, I always do a full flush and a short flush. And when you flush the toilet, because this has not been winterized, you can see the pink, nothing goes down, it just stays there. I kind of remember that happening once before. Toilet doesn't flush. Okay, so that's the only thing after lunch. But let's talk about the tall stall. I'm not going to get in because the floor is wet, but if you are 6'2" and shorter, you're going to fit just fine in this shower stall. So let's carry on. Pierre says, let's carry on. Okay, it is a beautiful floor plan. You got a full shower in here. So if you've got a lot of company, you've got a lot of places for kids to sleep, company to sleep. You've got this bed up here. This turns into a bed. That turns into a bed. We've got 2 bunks right behind Pierre's shoulders. I mean, this floor plan, the storage is phenomenal. Did I show you this? Let me show you this. I know this isn't a walk around, but why not see all the storage in this RV? I think it's fantastic. I think our customers are going to be extremely happy. If you don't like people, this is probably not the right floor plan, because how can you tell people we don't have room? Because you got plenty of room. Guys, if you like videos like this, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, share with your friends. Comment. If you don't know what to comment, just put C4BO, comment for Blue Walks. You know, we're not just inspecting RVs, we're fueling adventures. So fuel your adventures and join us on the road. So remember, and do never forget,
it's not all about the destination, it's all about the journey. Okay.